Hey, third grade. Let's go ahead and look at our skills together this morning. Our skills are focusing on data analysis, so it has to do a lot with the tables. So let's look at what this one says. A frequency table shows the result of a survey about how many times per week some families eat at a restaurant. So then it has the frequency table: 0 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, or 7 times that they would eat out a week. And then it shows on the frequency side, using tally marks, how many families eat out that many times. So zero number of days a week. That frequency shows the grouping of tally marks and then one by itself. Remember when they show that grouping of tally marks, that's 5. So that's showing 5 and 1. So the number of families that eat out 0 times a week were 6 families. The number of families that eat out 1 time a week were 3. The number of families that eat out 2 times a week, it had that grouping, which meant 5, and then 2 marks alone, so 5, 6, 7. 3 times a week is just this grouping of 5. 4 times a week was the grouping of 5 and 1 more, so that's 6. Then 5 times a week was 4 families. 6 times a week was 2 families, and 7 times a week was 1 family. Then it says which dot plot represents the data in the table. So a dot plot just uses one dot to represent one mark. So like for 0 up here, we need a dot plot that shows 6 dots above it. So let's look at our answer choices. So let's look at A, and we're going to count the dots above 0 on A. I like to put a mark or something on them to know that I've counted them. So for 0, on A, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that one is 6. Okay, then I'm going to look at B, and I'm going to look at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that one is good. I'm going to look at C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to look at D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so each one of those has 6. So those all worked out. So let's look at our ones. So the 1 time a week needs to have 3 marks. So let's look at A. 1, 2, 3. So that works. Let's look at B. 1, 2, 3, 4. That does not work because that's not right. C has 1, 2, 3. So C is good. Then D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, another 4. All right, so we've already eliminated B and D that quickly. So now 2 times a week should have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3 times a week should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, okay. Let's look at 4. 6 times a week, so it needs to have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5 times a week needs to have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 6 times a week should have 2. 1. Ooh. Let's look at C. 1, 2. Okay, so it looks like A is not our answer. Let's go ahead and continue on with C. So 7 times a week should have 1. And this one had 1. So C is our answer. All right, guys, you're going to do the next one on your own.